Once upon a time, there were two cats. They were very good friends. One day, the cats found a big piece of bread. Both of them were hungry, so they decided to share it. But while dividing, one piece became big and the other became small. The cats started to argue. Each one wanted the bigger piece. Just then, a monkey came by. He saw the cats fighting and said, "Don't worry, I will help you share equally." The monkey took the bread. He bit the bigger piece to make it smaller. But now the other piece looked bigger, so he bit the second piece too. Again and again he kept biting, until nothing was left. The monkey happily went away, while the poor cats sat sadly with empty paws. Moral: it's better to share what we have instead of fighting and losing everything.